Hey friends, today I've got a pumpkin French toast bagel casserole. I'm gonna go over what the ingredients are and then we're gonna get started. So you need some bagels. I have about 6 of them. You're going to need 2.5 cups of milk. You will need a cup of sugar, a cup of pumpkin pie puree, and then a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and 6 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. This is going to be a recipe to prep the night before you plan on eating it. And so first things first, we just need to kind of quickly break up our bagels in the dish. I already sprayed it with the nonstick cooking spray. So, sorry guys, I forgot to say, as you can tell, I went ahead and added my 6 eggs in here, my cup of sugar. I just started pouring the milk in. So let's finish that. Finish the milk. Then we will add in the pumpkin pie spice and our pumpkin puree. Okay, let's give it a little whisk. And also, we are going to make a streusel topping as well. That is going to be absolutely delicious. Don't forget that. I'm telling you, this smells amazing. And then you're just gonna pour it over the top. And then this is going to be refrigerated overnight. If you don't have time to make it overnight, try to at least get, minimum, it needs time to soak in, especially with thicker bread like bagels. Try to at least do like 2 hours, I would say, probably minimum. Although, to be honest, I have done this like super quick. Like 30 minutes, but I'm just saying, for the best possible way, you definitely want to at least get 2 hours. So this is for the streusel topping. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare that now too, and then stick it in the refrigerator. But you'll need 1 stick of diced cold butter. You will need 1/2 cup of flour. And I think I need a bigger bowl, but I'm gonna try to make it work. And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then you'll need 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And this is really sad, I'm running super low. So that'll work. And then you just kind of mix it together. You can use your fingers if you want to, but I don't want it to get underneath my nails, so I'm going to just do it this way. It's gonna take me forever because this bowl is so small, but with the finished product.